Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cozy neck warmer with Houndstooth stitch with a nice furry edge. This project is a great gift for yourself, your daughters, as well as for friends and family members. For this project I use one skein of Super 8 from Mondial in these beautiful two colors. You can find more information in the description box. And a 5mm hook, I will use this set from Prym, and of course a furry yarn coccola from Mondial. Okay, now we're going to create a rectangle like this. So first I will explain the Houndstooth stitch again using a little sample. You can find the lesson about this beautiful stitch in the description box. Then I will explain how to create this rectangle. So grab your 5mm hook. Then chain 15. Remember, the foundation chain of this beautiful stitch needs to be in multiple of 2 plus 1. So first chain 15 for this little sample. So now we do one single crochet into the second chain from hook, then we do one double crochet into the next one. And now we are going to alternate single crochet and double crochets until the end of this row. So now we do one single crochet into the next stitch, then we do one double crochet into the next chain, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. So now pay attention because we're going to change color. So we do the last double crochets and we leave 2 loops on the hook. So now wrap the new color, then insert it into the 2 loops. Now chain 1, then turn the work. And now we will be carrying the unused color of yarn and working over it for an entire row. So do not cut the white yarn. So now we do one single crochet into this first stitch. Then we do one double crochet into the next one. And repeat this sequence. So first one single crochet into the next stitch, then one double crochet into the next one, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. So now we do the last double crochet. We leave 2 loops on the hook, then grab the color, the white color, and insert it. Chain 1, then turn the work and continue to alternate single crochet and double crochets until the end of this row. So first 1 single crochet. Remember to carry the previous color with you across the rows. Then we do 1 double crochet and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. And now we do the last double crochets, then change a color as we did before. Okay, so now to create a stripe like this, first chain 87, then follow the partner of the stitch as we did before. I will repeat the partner for a total of 19 rows. The stripe measure is about 15 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters long. So now folding off the rectangle, and then we are going to sew the 2 ends together using a simple thread. But before proceeding, cut the yarn, join with a slip stitch, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. And now folding off the stripe, and now we're going to sew the 2 ends together using a simple thread and needle. I suggest to place a clip then sew the 2 ends together using a simple thread and needle. And now turn the neck warmer inside out. And now we're going to create a nice furry edge. So first grab the furry yarn coccola and 5mm hook. Do a slip knot, then insert the 5mm hook into the neck warmer, and all we have to do now is to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, so it's very easy. So now we do 1 single crochet all the way around. And now join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle as we did before. And of course, do the same on the opposite side. And now our project is done and ready to wear. It's warm, soft, and very quick to do, so I love it. I want to show you the Houndstooth neck warmer without the furry edge I've made before, so you can see both versions. Let me know in the comments down below which version do you prefer. So keep warm and cozy in this elegant neck warmer, and I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Houndstooth neck warmer. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!